Hey guys, this is Phon-Er, RA Gold, coming back to you at an evening shift. We are on our way to fix iPhone 6 Plus screen, a white color screen, and this is gonna be our first attempt to do a prank. It's pretty much an older customer. She's my previous customer, and so we are going to we're gonna fix her phone first, but then she said she wanted her sister's phone to be fixed, so I'm giving her a really good deal because I told her that if she agrees to play a part in a prank where her sister has no idea though, so pretty much she's willing to play in a part of a prank where we're gonna prank her sister by while we're fixing her phone, she's gonna give me a glass of water, and then I'm just gonna spill the water on her phone, which is gonna be actually my phone right here in my pocket. Is this phone, but and this phone is already water damaged, so I got this from someone that already had water damage, and he just gave it to me as a prop. So we're just gonna pour the water on this phone, and then once we do that, she's gonna just panic, and then we're just gonna act like the phone is damaged, it cannot be saved, all the content are lost, all the videos, the pictures, the text, and everything, and the notes. And then when she flips out and says, "Oh my God, what did you do?" Like who, like etc. And once she gets a little too serious, then we're just gonna like tell her to calm down and just tell her that it's just a prank, dude. And then you'll see the reaction on her. So stay tuned. This is coming up live. Like nothing is staged. You will see right now as we speak. You will see, and then you can judge and tell us if you felt that using if the surprise was good or not, and then give us some pointers on how to prank next, and we'll just continue on our journey to do more pranks based on the ideas you give us. So we have a lot of ideas, but we would like your prank ideas during iPhone repair to actually be done, just so that you'll participate with us in our pranks on our customers. Stay tuned. We'll be right back with the iPhone 6 Plus prank first. Numero uno prank. That's the first prank of this channel. So stay tuned. I'm excited, I'm psyched, stoked, but a little bit scared because I've never done this before, so it's going to be a little scary, tricky. Not sure how she's going to react. I kind of feel bad, a little guilt, because I really never ever make anyone sad ever. So making someone's life disrupting someone's life a little bit for a prank, it's kind of like, it's going to be tough, but I know that I'm a natural in creating pranks in my head all the time, so why not just do it on live, on camera, and put it on the channel for you guys to see and enjoy. Hopefully it'll go viral and people will watch more of this channel, and that was the reason why I wanted to do pranks, is just because I mean as you guys know, it's super hard to get a spotlight on YouTube unless you do a prank or a challenge or a parody. So this is my first attempt to do an iPhone repair prank, which I don't think anyone has done before. The reason why, because it takes a lot to do an iPhone prank. The reason why, because first of all, you gotta be a vlogger, you gotta be a YouTube person, you gotta be a videographer, you gotta do the job for a living, you gotta actually have a customer that wants you to open their phone, and therefore, like, and all that has to be there, and I'm fully equipped for that, I believe, and so it should be fun. So stay tuned, and we'll be back with you with the prank. Hopefully it's a good one, and everything goes planned and nothing goes crazy, but we'll see. It's all gonna be the element of surprise. So that's the base that we're working with. That's the corner. That's the angle that we're working with. The element of surprise. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching, and be right back. Peace. Cut. Hey guys, we are here. We are walking to the house right now. So I'm super excited. I don't know how to just, I feel almost like overwhelmed. I'm super excited about the prank. Wonder how it's gonna go. I'm just giving it good vibes, so it'll go as planned, and for her to kind of actually know that it's a serious one, it's not a prank. Then of course we'll tell her after, but I just want her reaction to be real and not like, hey, you guys are kidding me, right? Like, I don't know, something like, I want her to actually believe us, and I think we will, and unless her sister made it obvious, then, which I don't think she will, because I told her not to tell her sister, so we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Stay tuned, and I will be back with you in a minute. Thanks. See you, bye. Bye. Cut. Hey guys, we're finally here to fix the iPhone 6 Plus widescreen, and let's begin. Okay, and I just put it down here. Okay, cool. Awesome. Okay, cool. Okay. Oh my god, it's super hot.
Yeah, here we go.
Your house is like so warm.
Is it?
My house is like literally being at a morgue. I'm like, if anyone dies, heaven forbid, like no one, no, ever. Actually, I would. I'll probably cry.
So cool. Wait. Sorry.
Let's do this. I'll put this here. Here it is.
Sorry, I can take that off.
It's really cool. Smart. And this is for what? To
like
hold
the
it?
pop socket, yeah.
Nice. That's pretty genius. Okay. Cool. What are we doing? It's a 6 Plus regular silver.
Go over here. No, stop.
It's okay. Watch.
She's really fast too. It's cool. It's really interesting.
Yeah, like I mean,
Yeah,
it felt
it's
like
not
just
far.
yeah, it's not
not
that far. It's
I
okay.
know. I was gonna get 7, but it's like I don't. It's like I don't need
What kind of
it.
phone do you have?
I have the 4.
Come on.
I have the 6S.
What kind of phone do you have?
You have a 7?
I have a 6 Plus.
Oh. I want a Plus too.
I have a 7.
Oh, is the regular?
My next
size
phone
or
is gonna be a
the
Plus.
bigger size or the
Plus?
Yeah, I want a Plus.
Yeah, I think Plus is good. Like once
I
you
watch
get,
a lot of TV at work.
Oh, if you do, then yeah, definitely a Plus because your eyes will not hurt. You know.
Yeah. I feel like this is tiny. I want a Plus.
I usually watch.
What?
You dropped water on your phone.
On my phone?
Sorry. Where is the napkin?
My phone?
I was just like talking to Emily. I was like, hey, so. I was laughing. Sorry. Okay, do they have a blow dryer?
Blow dryer.
Emily?
A blow dryer? Yeah.
Fuck, man, I swear.
Do you need rice?
That's why you should not put water next to the freaking thing. That's why.
Do you need rice?
Yeah, just the thing. A blow dryer.
Rice! No,
Rice?
that's everybody. That's alright, that's everybody.
Put it in there.
Don't put
Okay,
it.
you
No,
just scoop it up.
no, just put it in there. Just put it in there. I don't think we can use.
Where's? How does this fucking thing turn?
Here, wait.
Fuck, my hands are like fucking like
Yeah.
trembling.
Can you move? What? Can you move things around?
Good. It'll be okay, right?
I think so. It should.
Can't afford another one, bro. I'm going to Brazil and
What?
What?
I'm going to Brazil in
2 days.
A what?
Two
To
days.
Brazil.
I
Brazil?
can't afford another. So I gotta get your phone then.
We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. I think it's fine. Yeah, it was a little bit or a lot of water. Well, every time you let the coffee from the toilet, that shit stinks. It never works again.
Yeah,
She had to get a
the thing
7.
is that
She
if the phone was like closed, it's different. But because it was open, it literally fell right here where the thing like picks up at the thing. You know? I think this thing was closed, but I don't know if it
I don't know what you're saying.
all I'm saying is that when the phone is open, it literally got like a direct water in it. It's like literally, and then you see the sticker also turned red.
So that means it's dead?
That means the phone may be fried like inside. So I mean, fuck, my heart is like. Cross your fingers.
Execution.
Really?
How do you know when it's working?
Oh, the power?
Shit.
Maybe we should put in the rice. Okay, 1 second.
Put it on everything first.
I'm gonna connect it again. Just maybe the connection is not good.
Or is it? What about all the screws?
Oh, the screws go after the phone works. I feel like we have to go to Staples right now.
Should we get like a power, like a strip, like cord?
Yeah.
Can you get like a charger? My phone might be dead.
Well, I have a power bank. I can.
Room.
The what?
Get the charger in my room.
You found the charger?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh yeah, let's charge
Wait,
it.
I don't. I might get electrocuted, so.
Okay. So you want me to get electrocuted? Okay, got it.
I'm sorry.
House food. If it works, then it has to power up right now. That's the only. Otherwise, we have to just run to the Staples.
Staples closes at the time.
At 9. But they usually need at least like good like half an hour to do it because they print the machine, so you might not have a phone till tomorrow. I can probably give you like a loaner phone, like a 5 or something. I mean, in the meantime.
100%.
Oh shit! I mean, in Brazil, I mean, I heard the 5 is like very popular. No.
I have no idea.
No, fucking shouldn't. But then at least you have a backup, right? So
No, I don't.
you don't have your backup of your photos.
I have the main. Well, not the most recent ones.
Oh shit!
Maybe I have my. No, cause my computer fucking broke.
Oh shit! So everything is like here, huh?
No, I had to borrow Emily's.
Maybe it's this screen is not working. So let's see. I have a second screen, please.
But it doesn't have to do with the battery or the power.
No, I mean it does.
Did you drop it? Where did you drop it?
Like right here.
So it doesn't have to do with the screen.
No, but a lot of times like this screen, once in a while like the screen is defective, so you know, so you never know. Anyways.
But I mean, it would just have to do with the power.
Yeah, the power. Yeah, exactly. It is right here. It's the IC chip right here.
Yeah.
That and it fell right here, you know.
And isn't this just plastic? So it wouldn't do anything? It's not even a conductor?
Which part?
The whole, the front.
Screen?
Yeah.
Oh no, yeah, the screen is pretty much it is a conductor. But I mean, but it just
No,
like,
it's not. It's not a conductor.
No, it's not. It's just I mean, you plug it in and then it just turns on. It's done. Oh man, this is like the worst job I ever done in my life. And it's funny because I was all like, hey, I'm gonna hook her up, you know, for like cheaps, and then she'll be happy. She'll give me a good like review on Yelp.
Yeah, Tori, you still gotta give a good review, okay? You can't fuck him over.
Yeah, I can. Shit. I don't know what to do. Should we call? I don't know what the fuck to do. Anyways,
Wait, maybe we can use my phone. You can use my phone.
Take out my shit.
I don't know how the fuck that water got in there. Water. Water right here. Okay, so I'm trying to think. Maybe we should do a little more blow drying, because a lot of times when the moisture
No,
is
it's not. I mean, that doesn't do anything.
really it doesn't.
No, I mean, you've done it already twice.
Should I do it maybe the third time the charm?
You better be free.
The what?
You better be free.
Oh, the string? Yeah, it is string.
Free dead. Free, but it won't be working.
Everything off again? Oh, yeah, okay. I'll try one more time.
Cross your fingers, cross your fingers.
This is
You know
like
what?
the worst
This is
video
just my
ever.
luck. It's like, oh, Tori, got you a hookup, bro.
I know, I'm
Got
sorry.
you a hookup.
I'm sorry, Tori.
I know a guy.
I think, you know, I think when you usually like, there's times that when you get excited about something like so much, you know, it always goes south. But, no, it does.
I don't know
I know
what.
even like
I feel
the-
like it goes more towards like. No, never mind. I had a joke, didn't work. My jokes aren't up to par right now. Siri, please tell me if I'm funny.
Nada.
The fuck?
I feel like she's gonna kill me right now, so I should probably run away. Like, you know, it's funny that I've never damaged the phone in my life like that, you know, ever. And it had to happen to everyone's sister. Okay. Like, maybe I can just buy you one of this. It's like 2 bills or something. Right now. I mean, how many gig was it? Was it like a
978 gig.
really? Oh, is it $1,000 one?
I think it's like 128.
Oh, 128? Fuck, it's $1,000 one.
Oh, actually. I think it is 128.
You can this your SIM card didn't burn.
Oh, let's try it in a different. Oh, wait, I don't have a SIM card.
No, the SIM card is better.
Oh, I have a SIM card?
Yeah.
Do you have a SIM card in yours?
Maybe he could try again. Maybe if the 4th time it'll work. I'm so sorry, Tori. I'm sorry.
I'm just trying to watch The Fosters.
The what?
The Fosters, my fave show.
Oh. I don't do, man. Fuck. What should we do, Tori?
Die?
Okay, I'm gonna.
Working?
No.
Okay, they give me a knife. I'm gonna kill myself.
Oh my god. Ay. Don't say that.
I said die, so I'm like, I might as well. Anyway, so I guess what I can do is I can put this phone back.
What if you just try to put all the screws in again?
The screws in, like this one.
I don't know, just try to put in all the screws or
Yeah, like maybe I can just like you mean like take off the. Maybe I can take off the battery and there's water underneath, right? And I can maybe dry that up too, right? Possible. Oh, there you go. That's a good suggestion. Like that. I'm just glad you're not like killing me right now, Tori. Otherwise, if something happened like that to my phone, I would have been like, "You son of a bitch."
I did.
Or you said inside you?
I thought I said it out loud.
No.
I don't.
I want to see if there's power in it or not.
What are you doing over there? Scratching?
Yeah. I mean, it's only your phone. No, I'm just kidding. Like just that, you see when we do like scratches, we see if there's power in it or not. So it seems like there isn't.
Is this?
So what?
You know, let's just leave it and then I can go.
Wow. Look at that, Tori. You see all the water inside there? Look.
Okay.
It's literally drowning. We should save this.
Okay, let's just leave it and then I'll go get it done tomorrow. Just leave all your things and I'll bring it back later. Okay.
Shit. What happened to the battery now?
What the fuck? Wait, hey, let's just leave it and then we'll fix it later.
Okay. Okay.
Wait, my phone isn't gray.
It was a prank. Sorry.
What?
You're so funny. Let me just find this.
What?
She just got pranked.
What? What the fuck?
You know what's the best part? Like literally like turning the camera around.
That looks so
You're like, what the fuck? You're like,
That looks so fucked.
yeah, you're like first he was laying out in the back.
He goes, sorry, like,
The back.
yeah.
She totally fell for it. That's like me and her were like laughing at it for like 20 minutes.
Good.
Okay, admit it that you got pranked.
Funny. You just got punked, girl.
What?
She's still in disbelief, right? Are you still in
Look at
disbelief?
this.
So whose phone is this?
Oh wait, that's a water damaged phone that I got from a customer one time ago.
Oh, I actually have a broken cellular phone in my butt pocket.
You just got pranked.
Hey, the best part was when she was like, hey, like as soon as her battery when I was like when I was just tearing the battery, she's like, no, just give me that thing.
Yeah.
I'll fix it. I mean, you're already done enough damage, you asshole.
So.
But watch this. This is fast. Look at how fast you can do this.
Fast and break my phone again.
Okay, guys, now we're just gonna
Actually fixing the phone.
actually like conclude this.
Oh my
prank.
god, I was like crying.
Really?
Oh my god, I was crying. I like watched it and I was like,
You see, I wish I had a tape so I can like use that against you. She wants to kill me. No, you know what was the best part? How she was like literally, I think she was just like so shocked that she didn't know what to say.
So it's gonna work. So it's not the screen defective screen.
Wow.
Come on, I've never broken a phone in my life. So
Beautiful form.
Maybe a first one.
Oh my god.
I was like, wait.
That was honestly,
Okay,
Oh my
my
God.
question was, I thought this was actually hers, and then I saw you pour water. I was like, that's gonna actually do damage though.
Yeah.
No, but you see, like the metal from the outside, you cannot tell. I mean, plus at that point, why? I mean, there's no way. I mean, you'll pretty much.
No, that's.
I mean, like nothing will even cross your mind. Like, wait a minute, like how can he, get? Yeah, I mean. So,
Yeah.
and then that's the reason why as soon as you got the phone, I was like, I'm sure she's gonna notice, but that's the reason why I didn't like flip the phone when I was like
Yeah.
doing the whole drying,
That's funny.
Oh, it was so good. That was like the best prank in the world. And it's funny because she literally took the phone away as soon as I cracked through the battery.
Yeah, because you started scratching it. I was
Like,
like,
it's
I still
not.
at that point, I still thought it was her phone. I was like, dude, I feel like that could do some damage.
I was like, anyone gonna stop his ass? Sorry.
No, it's fine. That's a perfect reaction. I just love the way you just literally like, I mean, without any sounds, you're like, just give me the phone. And that was our first prank, guys. Phon-Er's first prank, and Tori was our victim, unfortunately. And that's the reason why we gave her a really cheap deal, because we were like, that's the only way she'll be cool with it, because she's like, hey, at least, we gave her half off on this.
That was good.
That was so natural, and she was the best candidate for it too.
Why? That was sketch.
But I mean, now
I still thought this was hers. I was like,
Fuck, it feels like he's actually fucking up the phone, the battery. I was like,
What just happened right now?
Yeah.
I wish I could tweet this.
No, I mean this whole thing will be on YouTube, so you can like totally tweet it.
Find me on YouTube, y'all. I'm famous. XOXO Notorious.
Tell them your Twitter so people can follow you.
XOXO Notorious. I'm on Twitter, Instagram, and Tumblr. Follow my Tumblr.
you're on Tumblr?
I'm Funny Af on Tumblr.
Fun. I'll just put that in the description of the video. And after I'm done. And we are done. It works.
What about
Yay.
the all screws?
No,
The
I mean, he
screws,
sees that.
I put at the end. I just make sure that it works before I close the
Oh,
phone.
okay.
So you can just put your pass.
Yay. Well, it doesn't work.
Wow.
This ain't another prank, bro. Shut the fuck up right now.
Alright, we're gonna turn this off. Let's turn this off.
I'm tired of these games.
No,
No.
it's fine. It's not a prank. It's just like
Finish the screws, bro.
wow.
Wow.
No, I know what it is, honestly. I know what it is because this screen, since we wet it so much on that part. No, but it's a good thing. Guess what? Because it's not your phone. It just this thing. It's pretty much the screen was just defective.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And I think honestly it is defective, but I literally killed the screen by putting it to a water damaged phone.
Oh, shit.
And that's what killed it. But it's cool. It's just $40. It's not a big deal. Okay. I paid the cost for a cool prank, so it's cool.
I
Okay.
have a question.
Yeah, go.
Can I see what it looks like without this tempered glass?
Yeah,
Yeah, just take it off. And the best way to take it off is using this. This is the best. It's a very thin. You just get everything like. So I'm blowing up, you know.
Yeah.
Oh shit, yeah.
But I couldn't. That's the reason why I was scratching that shit. But because the thing has been dead for like a long time.
Yeah.
It didn't.
Oh my god, this is breaking more.
Okay, so just to show you, Tori, that
Yeah.
it's just a screen and your phone is great. I'm just gonna put this thing out so you'll see that it works. I feel like now because she's all.
Don't, why are you doing that? Don't do that anymore.
Come here. You're bleeding, dude. What the fuck?
Okay, it's just tempered glass.
Just
Ow!
Fuck, sorry.
Why would you do that?
Sorry. Alright, here, hold on, go.
Come on, just leave it.
She was trying to open up this thing. Just throw it in trash, please. Throw it in trash.
Tori, is it in there? I can get it with tweezers.
Just trash it. I mean, a lot of resistance.
Ow! Ow! Push like that. Don't touch it there.
And the best way is to just like kind of like yank it like that with your nails, and I mean like really hard.
just kinda keep
This
it
way
out.
it'll just like kind of come out like that. Yeah. Because otherwise with the tweezer it's gonna like cause more pain for sure.
Okay.
Why did I give you that thing? I should have just said no. Don't touch that. Tell me.
What?
This song, I remember hearing this song a million times when I was driving to high school.
Like live? I mean, when it was on?
Yeah, it was my high school song.
I saw it fly away somewhere.
Okay. So breathe. I gotta breathe more.
Oh, Emma, can you get me the Apple Watch?
Yeah, I'll get it later.
You always say that.
Because I have to look for it. I know, I'm sorry. You can
I've
have
been
it,
waiting
though.
for so long.
I know, I'm sorry. I'll get it prepared. I'm sorry, Jim.
There you go. Off.
Thank you.
Enjoy. Are you happy?
Yes, thank you so much.
Thank you for being a good sport for the prank.
Thank you. Wow, it looks so
High five.
nice.
Thank you for not killing me.
Yay!
Cool, and that's about it, guys. Thank you for watching. This is our first prank. Ari Gold, Phon-Er, stay golden, and that's a cut, and that's a wrap.